Wake up to the Pandaverse, a new way to explore, discover, and share the very best in the world of music and art in a decentralized communal space free from constraints. A metaverse where subscribers, users, artists, musicians, and performers have a place of their own. A more advanced way to connect, transact, and communicate across our platform. Built from the ground up, using an array of accessible and leading technologies to help subscribers experience a feast of forthcoming features. This prototype is how we see a future Noise Panda World. It's going to redefine the way users and subscribers access information, shop for merchandise, explore and discover exclusive art or music, and enjoy real-life and virtual events and performances. Subscribers will be encouraged to interact with others and transact, leading to the extensive opportunities that we're developing, along with clear revenue-generating transactional features across the entire platform.